Hi guys, welcome back and thank you for joining us. Today we'll be making kare kare, a Filipino classic. I love making this dish for my family because not only is it delicious, it is also loaded with all kinds of veggies. So come and join me as I share my recipe with you. These are the ingredients for the recipe. You can find them down below on the description box, and you can also find them on the next screen for the exact ingredients. Before we begin, would you be kind enough to support our channel by pressing the subscribe button? This will allow us to continue to produce videos like these. We appreciate your support. Let's begin. Heat up some oil in a frying pan. Saute the garlic until golden brown and add the onions. Once the onions are translucent, we are gonna add the peanut butter. Now we're gonna cook the meat. I prefer to use the Instapot because it cooks the meat in half the time. If you are using an Instapot, cook the beef on high pressure for 45 minutes. But if you're using a regular pot, cook it for about 1.5 hours on low heat. Once the meat is fork tender, we're gonna add the peanut butter mixture. We're also gonna add the Knorr beef bouillon, ground Achuete or Annato seed. After that, we're gonna steam the green beans or the string beans because they take a little bit longer to cook. We're gonna steam them for just 3 minutes and be careful not to overcook them. Finally, we're going to add the rest of the veggies, the eggplant and the bokchoy or the pechay, and we're going to steam them for another 2 minutes. And now we're ready to enjoy our kare kare. My family can't wait to eat it with steamed rice and a side of sauteed shrimp paste or bagoong.
Delicious.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. See you at the next video.